Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Quantum QHM6633 USB hub. This is an ultra high-speed USB hub, so you're getting USB 2.0 ports, and each of them is capable of 480 Mbps on their own. Also, this happens to be a Make in India product, so this was manufactured in India as per the manufacturer. On the side, you see a couple of QR codes for the website as well as the service and support, and also it indicates which color it happens to be. In this case, it's black. On the other side, you have a few more QR codes for all the social handles. Nothing on the top and nothing on the bottom of importance. On the back side of the packaging, you see additional specifications as well as some of the features being mentioned on the top. This includes the cable length, whether it's light or heavy, and some other important things that you might be concerned about. Let's go ahead and unbox the device first. So within the box, we find the USB hub itself, a little pamphlet seeking your feedback regarding, let's say, the product, if you like it or not. We're not interested in either of these. We are more concerned with the hub itself. We'll take the packaging aside. You can see it has 4 ports. These are all USB 2.0 ultra high speed, with each port giving about 480 Mbps. There's nothing on the bottom, nothing on either sides. We don't see any indicator LEDs. It's quite simple and gives you exactly what you need, just 4 extension ports. And that's about it. If you'd like us to unbox similar products, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.